Hey, what's up guys, Sagnaps here, and I'm doing an EDC update. Okay, so today, yesterday, I got my new knife. So, hold on, I'm gonna check my ID out. My ID out.
Sensor.
Sensor. Okay, here's my wallet. Currently not broke. Actually got $10.
You're welcome.
Yeah, cause it's my birthday. Not today, on the 24th. Okay. My necklace. Really nice. Got it from tribalhollywood.com.
Yo.
You guys should check them out. Ryan, you're making some really weird sounds over there.
Sorry.
A flashlight. Bright, bright, bright.
Ow.
Ooh, that's bright. Oh god, that's bright.
Uh-oh.
We'll get to that in a minute. Alright, yes. My iPod. Well, this is my friend's iPod. I just put my case on it because I have to videotape with my iPod. And I have his case on mine. So this is what my iPod looks like.
Same iPod. iPod
Yeah.
4G, all that crap.
Yeah, with a camera.
The one with the camera.
Yeah. Alright. Everything you guys been waiting for. I know you've been waiting for this. Get that out of there. You've been waiting for this. The Gerber Crucial Fast. If you go to my channel, I did a review and an unboxing on it. See, it is spring. Oh, that stinked. Spring technology. For FAST stands for Forward Action Spring Technology. Gerber Crucial Fast. As you can see, it has a bottle opener and a screwdriver together. It's frame lock. No screwdriver. As you can see. Okay, I gotta try to get this open with one hand.
Not that hard. Flip the safety.
No, it is hard, Ryan.
Would you like me to do it?
Yes, open my knife. Okay. No, not the knife. Not the pliers.
Oh, stupid.
Durr.
You
Okay,
said open the knife.
half open. I misspoke. Sorry guys, we're kinda in an argument. Pliers, woohoo, everyone just wants to see those. Yeah, I know you guys just want to see the knife. So, let me close it. I'm not at my regular makings, like videotaping station, because I'm at my friend's house. Nice pocket clip. It says Gerber on it, if I can get it here. I love this flashlight, it comes in handy so much. As you can see, it says Gerber engraved in it. And I'm just going to keep flicking it open. Ooh, I know you guys just love it. Okay, guys. That's the end of my EDC update. So, we got my iPod. Sorry. My necklace. My flashlight. My knife. And my wallet. That is my EDC everyday carry. Thank you guys for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Sagnaps out.